Rising Stars. Today we are in our Piano Adventures Book A, our lesson book, and we are playing Mary's Rockin' Pets. And we are going to go through our solfege, the names of our notes, the colors, the finger numbers, and finally the rhythms with our super beat heroes. So let's get started with Mary's Rockin' Pets. So we are just playing C, D, and E in both the right hand and the left hand. So we have Do, Re, and Mi for our solfege. So let's go ahead and we'll do solfege first. Here we go. 1, 2. Let's get our starting note. Do, Mi. We're going to start on Mi. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mi, re, do, re, mi, mi, mi. Re, re, re. Mi, mi, mi. Mi, re, do, re, mi, mi, mi. Re, re, mi, re, do, do. Okay, now let's go through as we play it and let's say our letter names, C, D, and E. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. E, D, C, D, E, E, E. D, 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 E, E, E. E, D, C, D, E, E, E. D, D, E, D, C, C. Okay, now let's do our colors. Left hand first. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Yellow, orange, red, orange, yellow, yellow, yellow. Orange, 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 yellow, yellow, yellow. Yellow, orange, red, orange, yellow, yellow, yellow. Orange, orange, yellow, orange, red, red. Now let's do the finger numbers. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. 3, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2. Okay, now it's time for Super Beat Heroes. So today we have our Super Beats and our Monty the Melon half note. So here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Beat, 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 melon. Beat, beat, melon. Beat, beat, melon. Beat, 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 melon. Beat, 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 melon, melon. Okay, next you get to play it with me. Now it's time to play the duets. So I'm going to play down here and you are going to play up here. Okay? And we're just going to go through it 2 times. I know there's 4 verses, but you've already played it so many times with solfege, our colors, our note names, our numbers, and our beats. We only need to do it 2 times because I know you are a pro. Okay, so I'm going to count us in, and you're going to come in on 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1,